In front of me is HONOR X7c, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Following that, you can either click on this icon at the top left corner to uncover your toolbar and click on this microphone in the middle, or hold this one at the bottom left corner of your keyboard. Either way, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on this microphone. If you want to delete text on the go, tap on this button on the right. To access voice typing options, click on this gear on the left. And to go back to your standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!